The automotive industry is being redefined by electrification, digitalization, and growing pressure to deliver faster and smarter. This is where line automation engineering comes in, a connected approach to standardization, simulation, and data integration to gain speed, precision, and agility across production lines. It reduces the cost and effort of developing automation solutions by up to 60%. Simplifies multi-vendor integration, and shortens operator training time. And with next-level data management, car manufacturer connect IT and OT systems through a unified data model, unlocking their production towards data-driven applications. With Siemens Line Automation Engineering, OEMs ramp up faster, reduce risk, and scale with confidence. Drive sustainable operational excellence with Siemens Smart Manufacturing. Build the future of automotive manufacturing with Siemens.